Hello, in this video I will show you how we can start and stop the SAP S4 HANA Server 2023. Okay, let us see the process. So this is the S4 HANA 2023 on virtual machine. It is inside VMware workstation. Click on this power on this virtual machine. It will take some time to boot the virtual machine. You can contact me for downloading S4 HANA different versions, SAP ECC6, different versions. I'm providing many different versions of S4 HANA and ECC6 installations also. This is S4 HANA 2023 with FIORI, with lifetime validity, with ABAP developer key, with IDES. You can contact me. You can see the description and you can contact me. Here, give the username and the password. Now click on this icon. Choose the terminal. Here, give the command su space dash space hdbadm. All are in small letters. If it is in capital letters, you need to give in capital letters. If it is in small letters, you need to give in small letters. Linux operating system is case sensitive. Okay, so give this command. Now here, give the command hdb start. Give this command hdb start. It will take some time to start the HANA database. It will take some time. We have to wait for some time. We can see now we got the prompt back. Now here give the command exit. Here give this command su space dash space A4 HADM. Enter. Now here give this command. Okay. In start system, start S is capital, system S is capital. So if it is in capital letters, you need to give it in capital letters. Enter. Wait for 1-2 minutes and then give this command. Give this command. We can see that the process is grey. We have to wait until all the 4 processes turns green. It will show the other 2 processes also. We have to wait for some time. You can see all the 4 processes have not turned green, so we have to wait for some time. We have to wait for some time until all these 4 processes turn green. It will take some time depending upon the hardware configuration of your computer. You can see this is the hardware configuration of my computer. I have AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core processor. It is a 12-core processor. Memory is 96 GB and it is installed on Samsung and VMware 970. It is installed on this one. It is installed on the Samsung SSD 970 EVO plus 1 TB. Basically, it is a Samsung and VMware 1 TB. Okay. So depending upon the hardware configuration of your computer, it will take some time. You can check it out again. And we can see that now all the 4 processes have turned green. Now open your SAP GUI and you can log in inside it. Enter the username and password. You can see I have logged inside the S4 HANA 2023. You can contact me for downloading and installing S4 HANA different versions. This is S4 HANA 2023. You can also contact me for installing SAP ECC6. You can contact me for installing it on cloud AWS. You can contact me for setting up your SAP network environment. You can also contact me for many different SAP services. Now I'm showing you. You can system status. You can see it is lifetime validity. Okay. You can see the products, installed software component versions. So these are the installed software component versions. You can see. Installed product version. So this is S4 HANA 2023. You can check it. And it is having lifetime validity with FIORI, with IDES. Now how we are going to stop the SAP server? Exit. Close it. Here give the command. We had given the command start system to start the system. Now give the command stop system. Okay. Give this complete command. Stop system. Now give exit, and here again give the command su space dash space hdb adm, all in small letters. Give the command hdb stop. Stop the HANA database. It will take some time. We got back the prompt. Give exit. Again exit. Now you can shut down this virtual machine. Click on this icon on the right hand top. Click on this. Now choose power off and shut down the VM virtual machine. Thanks for watching the video. You can contact me for downloading and installing S4 HANA different versions, SAP IDES EC6 different versions, installing it on your computer, on the cloud, on the network, so that people from all over the world can access it. I can do the remote installations also. Contact me if you want these products.